So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover hacked Roblox account without your email or phone number. So first of all, you want to go ahead to roblox.com / and then press write down support. After you are here, you will see contact us page. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So here it is. Now you need to go ahead and choose your date of birth, and this needs to be correct. So you're going to choose the date of birth which you have on your account, and then press continue. Then press continue. Now you need to enter your username. So you're going to enter it. Then you can also enter your first name, but it's optional. Now you need to enter the email address. So you need to enter the email address which you have access to and where you can go ahead and chat with support. So just go ahead and enter it. After you've done that, you want to write down the issue. So you're going to choose PC or wherever you are having that hacked account. And then the category would be account hacked or account login. And then you're going to choose which one of these is correct. Describe the issue. Here it is. I just wrote this quickly. So basically you're going to write down that your account was, for example, hacked, or maybe you just no longer have access to your email or phone number. And then after that, you're going to press continue and contact the support, and you're going to just wait for them to write you back. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.